To prove the multiplication theory of linear perspective, I have this perfect cube done in Blender. I'll screenshot it and import into the drawing software. First, draw a straight line from each corner of the box to its opposite side, forming an X. Where both lines meet is the very center of our square. Extend the object's lines to the vanishing point and shoot another through the middle of the box. From the closer set of vertical lines, on the corner of the rectangle, shoot a line on top of the cross formed through the last drawn line. Once it touches the external set of lines, you have the finishing point of your second square. I'll just position my results to Blender. I spawn another cube and move it exactly 2 meters into the x-axis, same size as our original object, giving us a perfect copy to the very side of our first box. The thick outline is due to the thickness of my brush.